That is my first response to this mascara. Holy shit. What's up everyone, and welcome to today's video. If you are new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. This is my channel and we talk about a lot of things here. We talk about makeup and skincare, we talk about nail polish, we have the occasional unboxing, and I almost always drop something. So if you're interested in any of those things, please stick around, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. Today we are doing a mascara review. We are testing out the new Lash It Loud mascara from e.l.f. Cosmetics. This is it right here. It's very rare that I see a new release so quickly from e.l.f. in the drugstore because of where I live. So when I saw this, I was like, yeah, I don't think I've done a mascara review ever. Maybe I have, I don't know. So I thought, you know what, it's $8 Canadian. It comes packaged like this. I picked up the shade black. Don't even know if they had different shades. So what we're gonna do is I'm going to apply it now. I'm going to put probably 2 coats on, and then I'm gonna do check-ins. I want to kind of see what I think of this mascara, and I think this will be a really good way to share it with you guys. So without further ado, we're gonna get right into it. Like I said before, this product does retail for $8 Canadian. It is a clean, volume boosting formula with intense pigment. The molded brush hugs every single lash to amplify and define. So this is it right here. I really like the rose gold colored packaging. It's very simple. It comes like this. And it has one of those super spiky wands, just like that. I actually really kind of prefer mascaras like this, so I'm hoping that I do like this. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna curl my lashes first because my lashes look horrible if I don't, and then I'm gonna zoom you in a little bit. We're gonna apply the mascara and see where to go from there. Holy shit. That is my first response to this mascara. Look at that. That is fantastic. Now the real question is, how is this going to wear throughout the day? First impression though, I'm really happy. To be honest, I don't even know if I've ever really tried e.l.f. mascaras before. I think I might have had one. That's 1 coat. I am gonna go for a 2nd coat. After first impressions, that's really good. I'm really happy with this. So let's see, make it a little bit more of an oomph. Ooh. It's not only giving length, it's giving some volume too. Alrighty. So first impression was wow. That's very nice. These ones didn't stay curled as well. This is not waterproof. I prefer not wear waterproof mascaras. They're just a pain in the ass to remove, so no thank you. I am really interested to see how this holds up through the day. It is a hot day here in Ontario, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to do a couple check-ins and we're gonna see how it lasts, and then at the end of the day I'm gonna do a final check-in and I'm gonna let you know what I think about this bad boy. I am so hopeful that at the end of the day I'm gonna be as excited as I am right now, because honestly, yes please, this is what I needed. Really happy I picked this up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop off camera now and I will see you guys later for my first check-in. And welcome back everyone. So as you may notice, I am not wearing the same makeup that I was when I first started filming this video, and that is because I kind of forgot. And I decided that I wanted to really put this to the test. So I have actually been using it for over a week now, and I used it right now. I just used it today, and I have to say I am really impressed with this mascara. It was only $8 Canadian. It's the only mascara I've ever tried from e.l.f. before, so please let me know if there are any that you've tried from them that you like, that you hate. I'm not really sure, but this is the Lash It Out Loud. It is volumizing. It is a very easy to wear mascara. I haven't noticed any weird smudging throughout my day. It is hot. It is June right now, so there is a lot of humidity here in Ontario. So far, this has been a win for me. I'm definitely going to keep using this. I would have to say, since I first started filming this video, this is the only mascara I have actually used. So I will try and pop in some pictures here if I can. Overall, I would recommend this. I think it's a really nice mascara, and let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed this type of video. If you would like to see more mascara reviews, I would be very happy to do those for you. Thank you all so much for hanging out with me. I can't wait to see you in my next video, and I will see you all later. Bye for now.